In this video, we're going to look at savings annuities with the TVM calculator. So a TVM calculator stands for time value money. We're going to use a web-based calculator that's available to you for your homework and on exams. There's also one in a TI-83 or 84 graphing calculator if you're using that. So find the end value of a savings annuity. So this is our goal is listed in the beginning, at an annual rate of 4.7% for 20 years and a weekly payment of $25. So on the right, we have the information that you need to put into the TVM calculator. Okay, so PV stands for present value, then we have payment, future value, interest rate, periods, compoundings per year. So present value with a savings annuity, you're initially not investing any money, so your account has $0. Now your payment is listed here. There's a weekly payment of $25, and we're going to record this as a negative value. So this may not seem to make sense because you're investing $25, you're not losing $25, but when you use this calculator, anything that you pay out to the bank is negative, okay, and anything you get from the bank is going to be positive. Okay. Now the future value or the end value is what we want, so we're going to put a question mark here. The next value is the rate, and it's going to be the annual rate, not a periodic rate, and you enter this as a percent, so you don't need to change it to a decimal, and there's even a percent symbol there, so you don't need to enter that either. Now the periods refers to the total number of compoundings. Okay, so we have 20 years times weekly payments, and there's 52 weeks in a year, and this totals 1,040 periods. Okay, so we're going to enter 1,040 here. And finally, compoundings per year. This is a drop-down menu, and we are assuming with all of our problems that it is compounded whatever the time period for the payment is. So it's going to be weekly. Okay, and we're just going to change this to weekly. Okay, and then there's going to be buttons, and you click on the button that you want to solve for. So let's take a look at this. So here are the boxes we need to fill in. Okay, so first, the present value we said was 0, because we're starting with $0. The payment we're going to enter as negative 25, because when we pay out money, we're thinking of it as negative. The future value is what we're looking for, so we're going to leave this blank. The interest rate was 4.7%. And the periods are 1,040 periods coming from 52 weeks in a year for 20 years. Now we need to change this drop down from annual to weekly. And then we press the button we want, which is future value, and it's going to put that value in the box for us. Okay, so the future value, notice it's positive because this is the money the investor gets back, is $431,118.37. So let's record that. So answering the question, the end value is $431,118.37. Let's look at the next one. In this question, we're asked to find the monthly payment. The last one was the end value, so this is monthly payment. Needed to have an end value of $100,000 after 12 years at an annual rate of 9.3%. And this monthly part is sort of a given also. So let's fill in the information we need over here. The present value, again, the account starts at 0. We're trying to find the monthly payment, so we'll put a question mark. We want the future value to be 100,000, and that's going to be positive because the investor gets that money back. Okay. The rate is 9.3%. Let's see the periods. We have 12 years, and it's monthly payments, so 12 months per year gives us a total of 144 periods. And we will change this drop-down menu to monthly. Okay, and then we'll ask the solver to tell us the payment. Okay, so here's our calculator, the present value. We're starting off at 0. The payment is what we're looking for, so we're going to leave that blank. We want the future value to be $100,000. Okay. We were given an interest rate of 9.3%. There were 12 years and 12 months in a year, giving us 144 periods. And the compounding is done monthly, just like the payments. Okay. Now we're going to click on the PMT button to find the payment. And notice we have negative $379.99. And it's negative again because that's what the person will be paying out. So now let's record this and write our final answer as a sentence. So we will need to make a monthly payment of, I'm sure you want to round this too, but we can't, $379.99.